Okay, so the other way of recording in chords, if you're not a competent pianist and you want to not click them in, but be a bit more musical about it, is by using something called the chord memorizer. So we're just going to loop bars 31 to 33, and we're going to work on that section there. So we're going to go to our marimba, and we're going to go MIDI effects, chord trigger. This is quite clever. I'll show you how it works. First of all, we need to clear it, so make sure it's cleared. We're then going to do something called multi. All right. I'm going to just select a couple of things and clear them. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is go to learn. So multi, then learn. Click on your first chord. You'll notice that when you press one note, it's actually playing 3 notes. That's because this is a chord trigger. So we can program in whenever you press one note, it triggers 3 notes. Give me a second. My marimba sounds just decided to change. I'll go back to it. There we go. And let's just bring my chord trigger, not modifier, trigger in. There we go. So multi, clear. Okay. And let's select this one here. So let's tell it to learn how to play chords. All right. So let's go learn. We want it to be A major. You can add the top note on if you want to, or the as many notes as you want. Let's just make our own chord up. So here we go. We're going to play it like this: E, A, C sharp, E, A, C sharp. That's our first chord. Let's go to our second chord. So learn second chord. Let's get rid of the notes. F sharp, B, D sharp. Okay, so we've now got our 2 chords so far. Let's learn this chord here. So G sharp, C sharp, E, and let's turn it off. So here we go. We've now got literally just by telling it the note what other notes should be triggered at the same time has now meant that we've got our chords programmed into our chord trigger. Now I'm just going to record that in. Of course, there's going to be a bit of lag, so don't judge my timing because of the screen recording software. So, so they're the 3 notes here. So here we go. Honestly, not my bad playing, so let's just quantize that. Let's do it to 16ths, and let's see if that fixes it. Sometimes it doesn't because you're so bad, so here we go. Let's just move that. Ooh, problem there. Let's just move all of that. That's my fault because of the... There we go. So what we've got is a different way of doing it. Now, the only thing with a chord trigger is that we've played the chords in, and we've also got the chord trigger in on the first part. So actually, this is going to sound horrible now because the first part is going to be triggering chords on top of chords. So that first chord is triggering multiple notes because of the playing 2 chords at the same time. So if you are going to use a chord trigger, do it on a different track. So here we go. Let's just do that. Plus. Oh, that plus button there duplicates the previous sound. That's really useful. And let's just move this onto a separate track. And for this track, let's turn off the chord trigger. So this one has got the chord trigger on. This one hasn't. So we've got 2 methods, either clicking it in or using the chord trigger. If you're confused about that, stick with clicking in, but the chord trigger can be quite cool, especially if you want to use, make chords that are outrageously massive. So, and you couldn't do it with just 2 hands. So if we were to build this chord up. So now listen to that. Here we go. This bit here. So big chords this time. Up to you. I prefer to play it in